How to insert an audio file attachment in Publisher. Here's how to insert an audio file attachment in Publisher. Here are some additional tips for adding audio files to Publisher documents. You can add multiple audio files to a document. You can also add audio files to shapes and text boxes. You can control the playback of audio files using the Audio Tools group on the Format tab. You can also export Publisher documents with embedded audio files to PDF format. I hope this helps.